Welcome home. Even my gnome knows it's going to be a great day. The snow is coming down ever so slightly. It is beautiful. I'm going to take a couple seconds to take in the morning, and then it's time to get to work. We are going to talk a little bit about where we are and where we're going. We only have one shot at this thing called life, and we are meant to enjoy it, be fulfilled, and have things to be passionate about. Do you think that at the end of the path that you are on right now, you will be happy with the life that you lived? Now let's swing right into the future of our dreams. And it all starts with a visualization of what we want those dreams to look like. When you're bored, sitting at work, frustrated, discontent, or at home pondering on life and what you want to do, what are the things that you are thinking about? What direction is it that you want your life to go? Write it down. And don't forget, while you're writing down what you want your life to look like, write down 10 things that you're grateful for in your life right now. Fire! Whoop whoop! It sure is warm here at Pathways to Peace.
And cakes are in the oven, so it's even warmer. Hello.
It is so important that we embrace the now and the present of every single day. See, I bring up those negative conscious thoughts only so that you can head in the direction that turns them positive. If there are things in your life that you are discontent with, just know you can make the change, but you can still be grateful in the moment. And that is the key to living a life beyond your wildest dreams. See, we have a choice every single day about the attitude that we carry with us throughout that day. If you ask me how my day was, I'm going to give you a truthful answer. And I would imagine 98% of the time, it is a heartfelt living the dream, because that is the reality. My follow-up is usually, some kid in Uganda would love to be Leah. And that is the truth. There are so many people out there who are dealing with struggles beyond our comprehension. And we are spoiled. So embrace the now. Overflow with gratitude. And just know that if you're sitting on attack because something needs to change, you can change it right now. If it's something that you need to take action steps, write those steps down and check them off as you go. You will feel amazing. I say these things in voiceover over top of what a typical afternoon, a couple days a week looks like for me, because what I do is genuine work, but it's work I love. See, when I was picturing what I want my life to look like, I picked those things that I love to do, that God blessed me with the talents for. My biggest of which is hopefully bringing you folks some joy in absolutely everything I do. But it is still work. We can choose what work we exert ourselves on and what impression we leave on this world. I want my impression to be beautiful, and I want yours to be beautiful too. So let's do this together. Get out there, be a doer. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. I will see you on the next one. Bye!